put in drought-tolerant sedums, some low-growing varieties, and then a dark variety to contrast the color and highlight the area.
I have a question.
Yes.
Now that's a beautiful air conditioner. Is there something that you could do if it wasn't so beautiful?
The air conditioners, what I highly recommend is doing a screening of some sort. Either there's some products that are the PVC fencing, so you don't have to do any maintenance to them. They're one variety or one brand is Suncast, and they're easy to install, come in 4 different panels, and fit right, specifically right around an air conditioner. Here we have some wood and fencing that's being painted and will be put around those to highlight.
Okay.
So the other thing you have to remember with the air conditioners is you have to leave 2 to 3 feet of airspace around them. So you cannot plant up close to them because it'll invade and you won't get the efficiency out of your air conditioner. The height can matter. You just need to keep, 2 feet is the minimum that you should keep the plant material away from the air conditioner. That's why I suggest this. And that was the